Airbnb is about to change how you plan travel forever. Instead of just typing dates and scrolling through endless listings, imagine opening the app and it actually understands you. It knows your preferences. It helps plan your entire trip. And it even supports hosts behind the scenes. That is exactly where Airbnb is headed. CEO Brian Chesky just revealed that Airbnb is baking large language model-powered AI directly into search, discovery, and customer support. And this is not just a chatbot bolted onto the side. The vision is an AI-native experience where the app does not just search for you, it knows you. That means helping guests plan full trips, helping hosts run their businesses better, and helping Airbnb operate more efficiently at scale. If you're into practical AI that actually changes user experience, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on AI in travel. Right now, Airbnb is testing a new feature that lets users search properties and locations using natural language. Instead of filters and checkboxes, you can ask real questions. AI search is already live to a small percentage of users, and the company is heavily experimenting. Over time, Chesky says it will become more conversational and expand beyond just booking into the entire trip experience. Analysts asked whether AI search would include sponsored listings. Chesky's response was clear. Get the design and user experience right first. Monetization can come later, potentially through ad formats that fit naturally into a conversational flow. Airbnb is also leaning on its new CTO, Ahmad Al-Daleh, who previously worked on Meta's Llama models, to apply AI across the platform. The company plans to use its massive trove of identity and review data to make results smarter and more personalized. On the support side, Airbnb's AI-powered customer service bot, launched in North America last year, now handles a third of customer issues without human intervention. Goal? Significantly more than 30% of tickets handled by AI within a year, expanding into more languages and even voice support so customers can call the AI directly. Internally, 80% of Airbnb engineers already use AI tools. The target is 100%. And all of this comes as Airbnb reported $2.78 billion in fourth-quarter revenue, up 12% year over year. The bold takeaway is this: Airbnb is not just adding AI features. It is redesigning the travel experience around AI from the ground up. If you want to understand where consumer apps are really heading, this is the blueprint. Watch the related video in the corner to see how other tech giants are rolling out AI at scale, and make sure you subscribe so you do not miss what is coming next. AI is not a feature. It is the interface. And the companies that understand that will win.